Hello Internet, what's up my peeps? This is a short video showing off my firewood cutting jig that are based on something that Kent from Man About Tools, link in the description, made. It's very handy and I built it completely out of stuff I had lying around, as well as a few 3D printed parts actually. The video won't go into any details on how I made the jig. That's for you to check out with Kent's video. I just wanted to give you a quick look. So let's get to it. We start by stacking all the firewood in the jig. Doesn't matter if it stick out, you can just add on to it as long as it doesn't fall over. We then take the straps, and this is something I changed from Kent's design. He used ropes and weights. I use these rubber straps as they're easier to manage. Just strap these on and be sure to not have your face in the way when you tighten it, because if that hook comes loose, it's not a good idea to get it in your face or anywhere near your face. So make sure that all of the wood is right up at the end of the jig and then strap down properly. Cut off the excess at the end. And then we simply cut in the slits where the rubber bands aren't. In this case, my saw caught a bit due to the tension in the wood, so I decided to cut the next slit over to release the tension. And it's important that you place some sacrificial boards at the bottom of the stack so you don't cut into the jig, which I still do, to be honest, as I'll show you later. And I probably should have a longer blade on my saw. It barely reaches through. So here I'm going back and cutting the rest of this now that there's a little bit less tension in the wood. And then I finish off a couple of pieces that didn't get cut through all the way. Now all you do is release the straps and put the wood into, well, in my case, a wheelbarrow. And as you can see, my sacrificial boards got cut through, most of them. An added benefit is that you get a lot of wood shavings. If you have a hamster or something like that, or a rat or some other type of creature that requires or prefers these type of cuttings. And here you can see where I managed to cut into the actual jig. That one's not so bad, but this one is a lot worse. It's probably 0.5 centimeter or 5 millimeters deep, so I need to be more careful in the future. Then I just take the straps and put them back, and when you're done you can just haul the entire jig away. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this or found it useful. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.